Every Minecraft Redstone component explained. Redstone Dust. Redstone dust is the basic wiring of redstone systems and is found by mining redstone ore deep underground. When placed on the ground, it forms lines that carry a signal from one component to another. Its main role is to transmit power, but the signal weakens over distance, which creates limits that shape how machines are designed. In real world terms, it behaves a bit like electrical wiring, but with strict rules about direction and strength that make circuit building more structured. Redstone Block. Redstone block is a solid block made from compressed redstone dust and acts as a constant power source. Unlike dust, it never runs out and always emits a full strength signal to adjacent components. It is often used in compact machines where a stable and movable power source is needed. Because it can be pushed by pistons, it also plays an important role in modern redstone contraptions. Redstone Torch. Redstone Torch is a small power source crafted from redstone dust and a stick placed on the side of blocks. It provides a constant signal while also acting as a basic inverter, meaning it turns off when the block it is attached to becomes powered. This behavior makes it essential for logic circuits. Early redstone builds often rely on torches because they are simple and reliable, even if they can burn out in fast switching systems. Redstone Repeater. Redstone Repeater is a device that refreshes weakened redstone signals and extends their reach. It is crafted using redstone torches, dust, and stone, and it also introduces a delay that can be adjusted in small steps. This delay is critical for timing-based machines like doors, clocks, and traps. It solved one of the earliest limitations in redstone systems by allowing signals to travel further without losing strength. Redstone Comparator. Redstone Comparator is a component that reads signal strength and compares inputs from different sources. It is used to measure containers like chests or to create more advanced logic systems. It can also subtract signals, which makes it important for sorting systems and automation. This block represents a major step toward complex computing-like builds inside the game. Piston. Piston is a mechanical block that pushes other blocks when powered by redstone. It is crafted from wood, cobblestone, iron, and redstone, combining simple materials into a moving device. Pistons allow players to build moving doors, elevators, and traps by shifting blocks in space. Before its introduction, redstone systems were mostly static, so this added an entirely new dimension to engineering. Sticky Piston. Sticky piston is a variant of the piston that pulls blocks back when it retracts. It is made by combining a piston with slime ball, giving it adhesive properties. This ability to move blocks both forward and backward enables complex machinery like hidden doors and flying machines. It is one of the most important components in modern redstone engineering. Observer. Observer is a sensor block that detects changes in the block it faces and sends out a short redstone pulse. It has a distinct face that watches for updates like crop growth, block placement, or state changes. When triggered, it emits a quick signal that is perfect for fast automatic systems. It helps automate farming and timing-based builds by reacting instantly to environmental changes. Lever. Lever is a manual switch that provides a constant redstone signal when turned on. It is crafted from a stick and cobblestone and is one of the earliest and simplest control inputs. Once activated, it stays in place until flipped again, making it ideal for doors, lights, and permanent circuits. Its simplicity makes it a foundation for understanding redstone control. Button. Button is a temporary input device that sends a short redstone pulse when pressed. It comes in different materials like wood and stone, which affect how long the signal lasts. Because it resets automatically, it's often used for quick actions, like opening doors or triggering traps. Its momentary nature makes it safer and more precise than a lever in many builds. Pressure plate. Pressure plate is a floor-based switch that activates when a player, mob, or item stands on it. It comes in multiple materials with different sensitivity rules depending on type. It is widely used for automatic doors and hidden triggers because it requires no manual interaction. Its real strength lies in creating systems that respond to movement naturally. Tripwire hook. Tripwire hook is a component used with string to create hidden trigger lines. When something crosses the string, it activates both hooks and sends a redstone signal. This makes it ideal for traps, security systems, and hidden detection setups. It adds stealth-based activation that pressure plates cannot always provide. Dispenser. Dispenser is a block that uses redstone power to shoot or place items from its inventory. It can fire arrows, launch fire charges, place water buckets, or deploy various tools depending on what is inside. Its behavior is random in item direction but consistent in activation, which makes it useful for automated defenses and farms. It behaves like a controlled launcher inside redstone machines. Dropper. Dropper is similar to a dispenser, but instead of using items, it simply ejects them as entities. It's often used in item transportation systems and item sorting machines. Because it does not activate item-specific behaviors, it is more predictable in automation. This makes it essential in clean and controlled item movement designs. Hopper. Hopper is a block that moves items between containers or into itself when placed correctly. It pulls items from above and pushes them into inventories below or to the side, forming the backbone of item sorting systems. It is crafted from iron and a chest, combining storage and transport functions. Its continuous automatic movement of items is what enables large-scale farms and storage systems